Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use a barcode reader feature in Vuforia engine. So barcode reader is a premium feature, but we can use it in with watermarks. So you need to open a new scene in the Unity. So in the previous video I showed how to configure Vuforia engine with your project. So delete your main camera, then right click in the hierarchy and import AR camera inside the Vuforia engine. Then you need to import barcode reader game object. So this is the barcode reader game object. Now you need to add a component barcode outline behavior. So this behavior, this script used to barcode or QR code. So in the barcode behavior, so you can expand the advanced, then you can expand the barcode types. You can see the all barcode types that support with this barcode reader feature. You can tick and untick this versions of barcodes. So we need to add a simple code with it. Go to developer.vuforia.com/library. So in the library you can find the documentation of the Vuforia engine features. So select the barcode scan, then click this Unity guide. So in this Unity guide you will see step by step how to set up this barcode reader. So in the barcode reader they are provide a sample code for retrieve data and display on our screen from barcode or QR code. So we need to implement this simple code. I will create this simple script inside my project. I copied this simple barcode scanner, then I will create a folder scripts, then I create a C# script. Then I double click and open it using Visual Studio Code. Now copy this code, then you can paste it, then save. Now select this barcode game object, then drag and drop this code inside it. So we need to add a UI element for display our display the details of the barcode. Then right click, then go to UI, then you must need add a canvas. So then inside the canvas you need to add text. So I use text mesh pro. So this is our text. You can adjust the margin of text. also I align this text into center. Now it's okay. I remove this new text from the fill. So then you need to drag and drop this text inside this barcode dash text field, so then you can save. So now our app is ready, you can build it now. Then uh, go to files, click this build settings, go to player settings. You need to change some settings inside the player settings. Go to other settings, then for minimum API level I change it to Android 8.0. so then you need to change scripting backend to IL2 CPP and click to tick mark, add the tick mark for ARM64. Now you can close it and build.